Hello students. Today I am going to teach you English Literature Standard 6 Unit 3 Lesson 3. So let's start. Here our lesson name, that is Tarot's Reward. Before we start the story, first of all I give the short summary of this chapter so you can easily understand. This is a story about a thoughtful and loving son, and he worked hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and get some unexpected help. That means is that in this story we learnt about a loving son and how they fulfill their parent wishes and what he gets some unexpected help. Okay, let's start. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lovely hillside. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little. In this para, they says that there is one young woodcutter that name is Taro. He lived with his mother and father in a one hillside place. All day he chopped means cut into pieces in the forest. He worked all time very hard all the day, but at the result he earned very little money. And here you saw the pictures. Here is a Taro and they both are their parents. So he made him a seed, for he was a thoughtful son and he wanted to give his old parent everything they needed. He worked very hard whole day, but he gets some little money. So that situation he feel very bad because he feel that he do all his parents' wishes and he feel that he always try to very hard to do all his parents everything they needed. One evening, when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, a strong wind began to blow and it whistled through the cracks of the hut and everyone felt very cold. Suddenly, Taro's father said, "I wish I had a cup of shake and it would warm me and do my old heart good." Here they told about one evening. That evening there is a very cold evening, and that situation their parents were sitting on the corner of the hut. That time the strong wind began to blow and the whistle through means passes through with whistling sound, matlab a wind passing through the crack is already into the hut, so the wind began to blow and come through the crack with a whistling through, and that time they all felt very cold. And suddenly at that time the fathers felt very cold, and that they say, "I wish I had cup of shake and it would warm me and do my old heart good." At that time the Taro's father says their wish, explain their wishes. If at that time someone give me a one cup of shake, it would warm me and it will fill my old heart good. Shake is a one type of drink, and when you drink it, it feel very warm in whole your body. And this made Taro sadder than ever, for the heartwarming drink called shake was very expensive. How do I earn more money? He asked himself, and how do I get a little shake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. Hearing the Taro's father wishes, Taros feel very sad because he is not capable and not comfortable and not able to uh, drink a cold shake was very expensive. That's why there is no enough money to purchase this shake. That's why he talk himself very slowly, and that's it. How can I do? And how can I do many work and how can I get the money? If I get more money, I will purchase a shake for my father. Next morning, Taro jumped out the bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed. As soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. And next morning, here they says that in next morning Taro get up early and go to the forest for doing work as usual as early. He all the day he's chopped more cut and chopped and cut more wood, and at that time the sun climbed and that he feel very hot, and that he take off his jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. Sweat. That means here they says that जब वो पूरे सुबह से लेके दोपहर तक वो कट करता है, इन दैट सिचुएशन ही फील वेरी टायर्ड, और वो उस पूरा उसका फेस पसीना पसीना हो जाता है. बट एट दैट टाइम एंड हिज माइंड से दैट मुझे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम करना है, बिकॉज माई पुअर फादर, आई wish to fulfill my pure father's wishes. So my poor old father, he thought if only he was as warm as I. And with that he began to chop even faster. ये सोच के वो और भी जल्दी से फास्टर से चॉप करने लगा. Thinking of the extra money, he must learn to buy the shake to warm the old man's bone. At that time when he chopping, at that time his mind are continuously thinking about, if I get more money and that money I will purchase a shake and to give my father so his old bones get warm. Then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. What was that sound he heard? Could it possible by rushing water? At that time in between when he chopping, he heard some noise, and that situation he stopped chopping and hear properly in which direction the voice coming from. And Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. He was thirsty. Hearing of this type of sound, he started walking, and those direction then the voice is coming. उसने कभी भी इतना बड़ा streams नहीं देखा था, पर when he see the streams, he feel very thirsty. The axe drop out his hand and he ran in the direction of the sound. जैसे ही उसने आवाज़ सुनी, उसको प्यास भी ज़्यादा लगी थी, तो वो आवाज़ सुन के वो उस आवाज़ की डायरेक्शन में जाने लगा. The Taro saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. When he was continuous walking, and when he take to reach a particular place when the voice coming from, he saw a beautiful little waterfall behind hidden the rock. Kneeling at a place where the water flow quickly. Kneeling मतलब वहाँ से ही जहाँ से वो पानी जोर से आ रहा था. He cupped a little in his hand and put it his lips. तो जहाँ से पानी आ रहा था वहाँ पे उसने कप रखा और कप में वो भरा और वो पीने लगा. Was it water? When he drink it, it taste is different to the water, and that time he asked himself, is it water? Was it shake? ये पानी है या सेक है? He tasted again and again, and always it was the delicious shake instead of cold water. He is very confused because he feel that it is water or a shake. In that situations he drink again and again, and then after he realized that it is not a cold water, it is the delicious shake. And Taro quickly filled the pitcher. Pitcher means a pot usually made of mud. It is one types of utensils we store of water. In ancient time, people store a water like this pitcher. So Taro quickly filled up the pitcher and he had with him and hurried home. So when he felt that it is the shake, he fast filled the pitcher, and then he fastly go to the home. And the old man was delighted with the shake. When he go to the home, first he get a cup of shake to his father, and when his father drink it, he feel that he was feel that it was very delighted, very delicious. After only one swallow, the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. That means one swallow meant when a young, when an old father, that means Taro's father, drink a one sip of shake, he feel very warm and he did a little dance in the middle of the floor. That afternoon, a neighbor stopped by for a visit. At, at that at that afternoon, one neighbor stopped to visit his home. Taro's father politely offered her